Understanding Uniform Shade, a guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into the phrase, uniform shade. This is a term you might come across in various contexts, from art to fashion, and understanding it can add nuance to your English comprehension. Let's explore what it means and how to use it effectively in conversation. A uniform shade refers to an area of color or light that is consistent and unvarying throughout. Imagine looking at a wall painted in one solid color with no variations in tone. That's a uniform shade. In English, this term is often used metaphorically to describe consistency in non-visual contexts as well. To better grasp the concept, let's look at some examples. Visual arts. An artist might choose a uniform shade of blue for the sky in a painting to give a calm and stable feeling. Fashion. A dress with a uniform shade offers a sleek and sophisticated look, without any patterns or color blocks. Metaphorical use. If someone is said to have a uniform shade of opinion, it means their views are consistent and unchanging. When using the phrase, uniform shade, it's important to pair it with nouns that can logically have a shade or consistency. For instance, it's common with objects like fabric, walls, or even abstract concepts like opinions, but less so with things that naturally have varied shades, like a garden or a crowd. I hope this explanation sheds light on the meaning of uniform shade and helps you use it confidently in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is about understanding the subtle nuances, and you've just mastered one more. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.